Expand column size in Notion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, go to your desktop and make sure you can clearly see the icons available on your screen. Find the Google Chrome shortcut among the icons displayed on the desktop. Double-click the Chrome shortcut to open the browser and begin the process. Wait for the browser to load completely before moving to the next action. If a profile selection window appears, select your Chrome profile to continue. Once Chrome is ready, click the browser search bar located near the top of the window. Type notion.com into the search bar and press Enter on your keyboard. Wait while the Notion homepage loads and becomes fully visible on your screen. After the page appears, look carefully at the top right corner of the website. Hover your mouse pointer over the Open Notion button without clicking elsewhere. Click the button once to proceed to the next page. Wait for your Notion workspace to load completely before continuing. Check the left sidebar menu and review the available pages listed there. Find the page that contains your table, such as monthly expenses or a similar page. Click the page once to open it. The table will then appear in the main area of the screen. Find the specific column that you want to resize within the table. Hover your mouse over the right edge of that column header. Wait until the resize cursor appears, indicating that the column width can be changed. Click and hold the left mouse button on the column edge. Drag your mouse to the right to widen the column and create more space. Hover over the right edge of the column header again if additional adjustment is needed. Drag the mouse to the left if you want to change the width in the opposite direction. Release the left mouse button when you are satisfied with the column size. The column size is now updated in Notion, and the change will be visible directly within the table.